I want to compress this folder. It has a size of 1 GB and has 26,000 files. This is the project folder that I want to send to my friend. To compress this folder, we need compression software. Go to Google and type 7-zip. Click the first link and download the software. Now run and install the software. Now right-click the folder, 7-zip, and click Add to Archive. Leave the archive format to 7Z. Change the compression level to Ultra. Leave the compression method to default. Change the dictionary size to 64 MB. Change it to 32 MB if you have a weak computer. Leave the word size to 64. Change the solid block size from 4 GB to solid. Select number of CPU threads to 2. And click OK. Now the compression has started. Just wait for a few minutes. Now the folder is compressed to 7-zip archive. The size of this compressed file is 35.4 MB. So we have successfully managed to compress 1 GB to 35 MB. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.